Good afternoon, everyone. A very good afternoon to all of you, bacho. I'm back with another job notification, and this time from OPTCL, that is a company of Odisha for transmission, and it is recruiting management trainees through GATE 2021. So, my dear friend, if you appeared for GATE 2021, this is going to be a golden opportunity for you because you can apply for this job and you can get placed in a core company. Why I am saying core company? Because for electrical engineers especially, transmission and generation part is one of the core sectors, and that is the best sector to start your career in. So let's see all the details about the eligibility application process and the selection process. But before we do that, let me introduce myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR 1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded gold medal by the President of India himself in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT. Till date, I have trained more than 2 lakh aspirants for competitive exam and currently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Now, most of the students know this about me, but what they do not know is that this particular channel has created history by providing maximum number of free lectures, maximum number of free initiatives to the students of this country who cannot afford quality education on their own. Now every student is being empowered by the help of Unacademy initiatives, and now everybody is at the same level, and those who work hard will be able to succeed. So money has been made irrelevant when we talk about competitive exams. But remember, my friend, our free initiatives are not restricted to YouTube. They are also available on the Unacademy app. So immediately download the Unacademy app and enjoy our free initiatives simply by unlocking them using the code Ankit ESE. Very simple process. And also, my friend, all my free initiatives on Unacademy app have been listed here. So if you open this link in your browser and you go to the upcoming section, you will be able to view all the classes that I'll be taking in the future, and whatever I have taken in the past, that is also present here, like PSU practice series, concept through question, GATE previous year question, practice sessions and marathon sessions. Everything is present here, beta. So this is just like a magic box for you. Just open it and observe the magic. So let me start, beta. So OPTCL is a state-owned power utility in Odisha engaged in the business of transmission, and it is recruiting management trainees through GATE 2021. Okay. So now, my dear friends, what are the vacancies? We have 25 vacancies. 25 vacancies in management trainee electrical unreserved, 5 for SEBC, 8 for SC, 12 for ST, total of 50 vacancies. I would say it's a good number. It's not a low number. Okay, that's a good number. Seeing the present scenario in which we have low number of vacancies. Okay. So what is SEBC? Socially and educationally backward classes. SC, ST, I think everybody knows. Okay. Now, in case of this job, you have to appear in GATE in the EE code. So guys, don't think that if you gave IN paper also and you got a great rank there, IN score is not applicable in this job. Your electrical score will be counted. And the upper age limit on 1st of August is 32 years. On 1st of August, the upper age limit is 32 years. So you must have a valid score in the GATE 2021, that is, your marks must be above the qualifying marks or the cutoff. Other than that, beta, you need to have a minimum CGPA of 60%. Okay, 60%. And as I tell every time, in case your college provides CGPA, take a certificate from them for the conversion of CGPA into your percentage. You can have a degree in EE, in EEE, okay, with 60% marks in aggregate. That is the overall percentage of 4 years. And if you are in final years, then I would say before the final semester, your percentage aggregate must be 60%. And for other categories, it is 50%. Okay. Is that clear? Now, only those candidates who possess the above qualification on the last date of application, okay, degree obtained from open university shall not be considered. That is, the distance learning courses are not eligible. Other than that, beta, relaxation, reservation or concession will be same as the central government guidelines, and persons suffering from 40% of relevant disability shall be considered for the benefit of PWD. Okay, more than 40% disability. So relaxation in the upper age limit for SC ST it is 5 years, for SC BC 5 year, for women candidate 5 year, for servicemen 5 year, and PWD is 10 years. Okay. Other than that, beta, what is the selection process? They will take your marks out of 100, whatever you have obtained in the electrical discipline paper of GATE 2021 along with PI. That is, GD will not be conducted, only your GATE score and your personal interview. So you will be shortlisted for personal interview based on your performance in GATE 2021. And the shortlisted candidates can download the interview call letter through the candidate login. We'll move to this later on, but remember, you have to download the interview call letter yourself. Okay. Now you need to bring your documents for interview. Whatever documents you have, always carry 2 copies. One is the original, second one is the Xerox. And guys, you can be posted at any of the existing or the future unit of OPTCL. That is, you won't have a preference of selecting where you must be posted. Other than that, beta, the weightage given to GATE marks is 90%. That is, if you have a great score, most probably you will be selected in this company, and 10% weightage will be given to the personal interview. Okay, and normalized marks out of 100 will be considered. But remember, in electrical, there are no multiple sets, so normalization doesn't hold good here. Okay. Other than that, beta, compensation and package, the most interesting part for all the candidates. So they are paying a stipend of rupees 50,000, stipend of rupees 50,000. Okay, during the training period. During the training period, you will be given a stipend of 50,000. Not bad. Selected candidates will be placed in the pay scale of 56,100 to 177,500. That is level EE2. That is the initial basic pay. Initial basic pay is 56,100. But remember, this is not the enhanced salary. There are many benefits over and above this value. On successful completion of training, you will be absorbed as an assistant manager. That is the great job to have, my friend, to start your career as a manager. You will be paid DA, HRA, company accommodation, or medical allowance, conveyance allowance, health insurance, group insurance, LTC, gratuity, NPS, and loan and advances are paid as per your requirement. So all these benefits you will get, my dear friend, when you join OPTCL. Now you have to go for a training period of 1 year at field unit of OPTCL, including the Power Training Center PTC at Bhubaneswar. Okay, at Bhubaneswar, your induction training will happen. After that, you will be posted in the field unit for further training. Okay, the training period will be for 1 year unless otherwise extended further. That is, most probably it will be for 1 year. During the training period, the trainee may be terminated without any notice or without assigning any reason. Now that is a risky point, that you might be terminated without giving you any notice. On completion of training, there is no obligation on part of corporation to offer regular appointment. Now this point seems a bit tricky to me, that they may terminate any trainee without any notice, and they might not even make you permanent even after completion of training. But guys, that happens very, very rarely. And in these times when vacancies are very low, I would recommend, if you want a job, you should apply for it. Okay. Now you will have a bond to complete the prescribed training period and to serve the organization for 3 years. The amount of bond will be 3 lakh for candidates of all categories. Okay, now every PSU is taking a bond because many people leave that midway. Okay, from 1 of August 2021, interested candidates have to register online irrespective of the applications made earlier. That is, you again have to create an account on OPTCL website, that is at www.optcl.co.in, and you have to fill your GATE 2021 registration number. They will automatically extract the results. You don't need to tell the result, and the application will close at 31st August 21. So my friend, remember the end date, okay? Other than that, the application fees for unreserved and SCBC is 1000 rupees. SC, ST, PWD it is 500 rupees. Applications have already started and they will close on 31st of August. So that's all the details, my dear friend, and if you are interested, definitely go for it. And those of you who are preparing for GATE, my friend, join Unacademy Plus immediately, because here you are getting live classes by the top educator. The revision courses have also begun, and you are not only getting this, you get daily assignment in my class, you get every Sunday quiz, you get doubt clearing personally by me every day at 5 p.m. and also there is a ask a doubt feature where you can get your doubt cleared instantly. Other than that, if you want to fly higher, go with Iconic. All these benefits are included along with a personal coach who will create a study planner for you. Teachers will guide you in the study booster session, my dear. You will get personalized test analysis, study material, and my friend, our dedicated team will be there for you to solve all your queries. So my friend, if you use the code AnkitESE, you will get an immediate 10% discount and you will come under my personal guidance so that I can personally guide you and make sure that you get the best rank possible. Other than that, dear, this is the latest batch that we have started. It is an accelerate batch where we'll be covering the course in a rapid manner. We'll be focusing majorly on problem to boost your rank. Whatever marks you might be getting in GATE, they will definitely increase. And if you want to study comprehensively, we have launched Arohan Batch E, Control Systems by Siddharth Sir. Other than that, you can join me on Unacademy in my machines course every day from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., 10 a.m. to 12 noon, then 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. This much time I am dedicating to machines on a daily basis, so you can understand how much effort we are making in order to master this tough subject. And remember the date, my friend, save the date, 8th of August. There is going to be a combat, link is in the description. Enroll now using the code AnkitESE. And when you join Unacademy, go for 2-year Iconic, because this will make your preparation truly iconic. Here you will get a personal coach who will finish everything, who will be with you till the end of your journey and make sure that you get the top rank. And don't think of it as a big amount, think of it as an investment in your education. You can either pay this amount as one-time payment, as EMI on a monthly basis, or take education loan from Unacademy. And still, if you can't afford it, go for 2 years plus subscription. Here you will get everything other than live doubt solving and a personal coach. You will get everything. So if you are self-motivated, you don't need any help in the self-study, then go for this. Again, go for 2 years for maximum benefit, my dear. And this is my Unacademy profile. Follow me, you can message me here. And this is my Telegram channel where you get daily quizzes, notes and notification. So thank you, dear friends. And if you find anything that should not be there in our video, that might be offensive to a person, caste, creed, religion, or hurt any sentiment, please report it immediately. Action will be taken and you will be suitably rewarded. So thank you. If you like the video, do apply for this job and share this video with all your friends who appeared for GATE 2021 so that they can also become aware about this opportunity, and subscribe to this YouTube channel and do hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time a video comes up. Till then, guys, keep rocking, keep cracking.